Hey guys, it's me Anugya and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a very interesting recipe for which I've received a lot of messages on Instagram after I uploaded it on my stories. So that's wholemeal or brown bread. Let's get started. Bread is one thing which is required almost every day by a lot of households, and to learn how to make that basic brown bread or wholemeal bread, it's very important. And we know the importance now even more when we are in a lockdown and a lot of shops are closed, or even if some shops are open, we are not getting breads. So this bread is actually made up of only 5 ingredients. The ingredients are wheat flour or atta, water, yeast, honey or maple syrup, and some salt. Take your atta or wholemeal flour or wheat flour in a big bowl and add yeast to it, followed by salt, and mix these ingredients. So now we'll do the next step. Take a pan and heat water. We have to heat water till it's a little bit more than lukewarm, but not hot. We don't want to have hot water. We can add the honey now. We can off the fire because our water is already warm now. So the warm water with honey is here. And I've also greased a loaf tray, so you can either grease it or put a parchment paper on it. And now we'll be mixing the warm water in the dry ingredients. So remember, we don't have to knead it like a dough. We just have to mix these ingredients. Once they're well incorporated, we will stop mixing. It is mixed and it's good to now transfer it to the loaf tin. You can either use a spatula to mix this or you can use your hands as well, but this is a sticky dough. So, okay. Now just level it. Just cover your tin with a cling film, or you can just put any plate on top of it and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then it will rise in that time. Okay, so it's about 30 minutes and our dough has risen quite well. So look at it. And now I have preheated my oven as well, and we'll be baking this bread for about 40 minutes. Let's put the tin inside the oven now. We are baking at 200 degrees Celsius. So our bread is out from the oven and it looks great. Like we usually do a toothpick test with the cakes or cupcakes or muffins, I suggest you do the same thing with the bread as well. Just take a toothpick, put it inside the bread and see if it comes out clean or not. If it comes out clean, which means the bread is well baked. If it has any dough, any wet dough attached to the toothpick, then just bake it again for about 5 to 7 minutes so that it's well baked. Okay, so the bread has rested for about 5 to 7 minutes and we are good to slice it. We'll turn the tin onto a chopping board. Look at it. Once you start making it, guys, you're gonna ditch the store-bought breads. You would want to make it again and again in your kitchen. Slice it now. It's got a crusty exterior and a soft interior. Look at it. Do try this recipe, guys. It's gonna be a hit. And I can't wait to have this warm bread with some butter on top, and I have some jam as well because this bread tastes absolutely amazing with some jam on top. Look at it, the butter has melted really well on the warm bread and I can't wait to take a bite. too good. This loaf, you have to start making it in your kitchens because you know what is inside it. Unlike how we would not know what the store-bought breads have inside, this is baked from the scratch in the kitchen. So go for it, guys. Do try this recipe, and I'll be back again with more recipes very soon. Don't forget to tag your foodie friends to this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.